Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Airlines are throwing money at Airbus and Boeing like never before. Record backlogs, multi-year waiting lists. So why are carriers fighting for every new jet they can get? Here are the 5 biggest reasons. Point 1. Fuel efficiency equals massive savings. First and most important, fuel. New generation aircraft like the Airbus A320neo family and Boeing 737 MAX burn 15 to 20% less fuel than the planes they replace. Widebodies such as the A350 and 787 Dreamliner deliver even bigger gains, up to 25% better efficiency. With fuel still one of the biggest costs for any airline, those savings add up fast. Lower fuel burn means lower operating costs and the ability to offer competitive fares while protecting margins. That's pure profit protection in a tough industry. Point 2. Replacing aging fleets. Second, many aircraft flying today are 15 to 25 years old. Older planes cost more to maintain, use more fuel, and face increasing reliability issues. Airlines need modern jets to cut maintenance expenses, often 30% or more lower on new aircraft, and avoid expensive heavy checks. Fleet renewal is no longer optional, it's essential for long-term survival. Point 3. Strong travel demand plus new routes. Third, air travel demand is booming. Passengers are flying more than ever, and airlines want to open thinner long-haul routes that weren't profitable before. Enter aircraft like the Airbus A321XLR. With nearly 4,700 nautical miles of range, it can fly transatlantic and other long thin routes at narrow-body costs, something older planes or big widebodies simply couldn't do economically. New planes unlock new markets. Point 4. Environmental pressure and sustainability. Fourth, airlines face growing pressure to cut emissions. Newer aircraft produce significantly less carbon dioxide per passenger and are already certified to fly on higher blends of sustainable aviation fuel. Replacing old gas guzzlers with efficient new jets is one of the fastest ways carriers can show real progress toward climate goals while keeping regulators and eco-conscious travelers happy. Point 5. Better economics, more seats and passenger appeal. Fifth, modern aircraft simply make more money. They can carry more passengers in a denser but still comfortable cabin, offer quieter cabins, better air quality, and improved reliability. Commonality across families, especially Airbus, also reduces pilot training and spare parts costs. The result? Higher productivity and stronger returns on every flight. So there you have it, fuel savings, fleet renewal, route expansion, sustainability, and superior economics. That's why airlines are lining up for every new Airbus and Boeing jet they can get their hands on, even with multi-year backlogs. What do you think? Are these new planes worth the wait? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more aviation insights. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.